My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 BMW i3. This vehicle has done just over 14,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen we have features such as navigation, communication, media and radio, connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The i3 also comes with 3 different driver modes to choose from. So we have Comfort, Eco Pro and Eco Pro Plus. The i3 is also known for its coach doors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a brown leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.